So you're welcome, everyone, to what I'd like to call 10 minutes of economics. Now, whether you realize it or not, we'll have something to say about the economy. Maybe it is when things are looking up and we hear phrases like the economy is booming, or perhaps it is in a tougher times with complaints about the economy struggling under a particular administration. But through all this, there is one undeniable truth I've come to understand, and that is the fact that we're all creature of economy. So what is the field that grinds this machine we call the economy? What is the energy? Where's the engine driving it forward? It is an 8-letter word that affects all of us, and that is called scarcity. Before we dive into scarcity, let's first step back and define economics itself. Economics is a study of how individuals, institutions, and society as a whole make choices in the face of scarcity. Though the concept of economics have been around since humans first began interacting, the title of the father of modern-day economics is often given to Adam Smith, and those who dedicate your life to understanding our choices in the context of scarcity, we call them economists. Now, economics is a vast field, but it can be broken down into two main branches known as microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics first zooms in on the decision of individuals and businesses. It is about the interaction between buyers and sellers, the working of the market where the exchange of goods and services happen, and in essence, it's the study of how you and I make choices about what to buy, what to sell, and what to produce on an everyday basis. On the other hand, macroeconomics steps back to take in the big picture. It asks questions like, how do the entire nation grapple with scarcity? How do government decide how to allocate resources, goods, and services across millions and sometimes even billions of people? Macroeconomists ask a couple big questions like, why does unemployment exist? How do government spending and taxes impact the economy? What happens when we change the amount of money in circulation in the economy? And many more questions like this. But let's cycle back to scarcity real quick, which is the core energy that keeps the economy moving. Scarcity is everywhere. It affects everything. It is quite literally a universal concern. Without scarcity, there would be no need for economics at all. Think about it. There's never enough time, there's never enough money, or never enough resource to satisfy everyone's need, especially not at the same time. And that's what makes economics so powerful and relevant. It is a science of choice in a world where we can have everything. So the next time someone mentions the economy, whether they're praising it or they're criticizing it, remember, it is driven by one force, which is known as scarcity. And it is our responses to this scarcity that shapes the world that we live in. Again, real quick, I'm not trying to explain this as a professor in an Ivy League school of business, but I'm just a student who loves to learn, and I like to explain what I've learned to people. And I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, to see more like this, please subscribe and support me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious. Let's keep learning together. See you. Bye.